UV is finalizing the design works. Please wait for the demonstration video. Almost done. Are you ready, guys? If then, follow me. See, these slides are the engineering view of the design. Okay, UV, let's warm up me. Now let's go for ride. Wow, very beautiful place. Changing my battery.
Let's on the switch. Okay. This also.
Inspection completed. Now I am ready to move. UV, is people chasing me? Slow drive, long life. Wow, UV, I want to ride in this wagon too. Test me on off-road too. Wow, people love me. I feel great and happy today. Thank you, UV, for carefully riding me. Oops, so sorry. Thank you for watching me.